How to get rid of puffy eyes. Waking up with puffy eyes can be really frustrating when you have a big day ahead. Puffy eyes are one of the most common beauty problems. This occurs when the eyes begin to swell for various reasons, including excessive crying, excessive physical stress, genetics, dermatitis, hormonal changes in the body, a change in weather, sinus problems, hangovers, bad diet, lack of sleep and some allergic reaction. Puffy eyes can make you look tired and ill. But you can easily take care of them with some simple, natural home remedies. Here are the top 10 ways to get rid of puffy eyes. 1. Water. The easiest way to get rid of puffy eyes is to drink water. When the body is well hydrated, there is less chance of water retention that can cause your under eye area and other parts of your body to swell. Water also helps flush toxins out of the body. Stay well hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. In addition to this, you must reduce the amount of salt you eat to reduce water retention in the body. Also, avoid caffeinated and carbonated beverages that can be dehydrating. 2. Cold spoons. This simple home remedy is surprisingly very effective. It will help tighten up the skin around your eyes as well as relax the blood vessels, thus offering relief to puffy and tired eyes. Chill 5 or 6 metal spoons in your refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Hold the rounded portion of one of the cold spoons against your eye for a few minutes until the spoon becomes warm. As the spoon warms, replace it with another cold one from the refrigerator. 3. Tea bags. Be it green tea bags or black tea bags, both can help soothe puffy and irritated eyes. They contain anti-irritant properties that help reduce swelling around your eyes. They can also relieve redness and inflammation. Put 2 used tea bags in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Lie down and put the tea bags over your eyelids. Leave them in place for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat a few times a day. 4. Cucumbers. Chilled cucumbers make a good remedy for treating puffy eyes. The enzymes and the astringent properties in cucumbers help reduce inflammation and help tighten the skin. This remedy will also help get rid of wrinkles and dark circles around your eyes. Cut a cucumber into thick slices. Chill the slices in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Place the cold slices on your eyelids for about 10 minutes or until they become warm. Repeat the process several times a day. 5. Egg whites. Egg whites have skin tightening properties that can help banish under eye bags as well as help prevent wrinkles. Separate the yolks from 2 eggs and put the whites in a bowl. Whip the egg whites thoroughly until you get a stiff consistency. Add a few drops of witch hazel, a natural skin tightening astringent. Use a brush or soft cloth to apply this mixture under your eyes and allow it to dry. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Do this daily for a few days. 6. Potatoes. Just like cucumbers, potatoes are also effective in getting rid of puffy eyes. The starch present in potatoes has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce under eye bags. This remedy is also helpful for fading dark circles under eyes. Peel, wash and dry a medium-sized potato. Grate the potato and put the shavings in a clean cloth and tie it up. Place this cloth over your eyelids for several minutes. Repeat the process several times until the puffiness subsides. 7. Cold water. Ice cold water. If you have a sleepless night and are left with puffy eyes, cold water is just what you need to treat them. The cold will help constrict the blood vessels and lessen swelling. Rinse your face with several splashes of ice cold water. Do this a few times throughout the day as needed. You can also use a small bag filled with ice, wrap it in a washcloth, and place it on your eyes. Repeat as necessary until the swelling is gone. 8. Salt water. Hot water and salt also works as a simple remedy to help reduce swelling and puffiness under your eyes. The salt water helps get rid of the fluid retention in a way similar to osmosis. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a bowl containing a quart 4 cups of water. Make sure the water is not too hot. Soak cotton balls or wool eye pads in this warm saline water and place them over your eyelids for a few minutes. Repeat the process for 15 to 20 minutes. 9. Strawberries. The alpha-hydroxy acid present in strawberries can help make skin look smooth and young. It also helps reduce under-eye puffiness and swelling. Chill some strawberries in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Remove the tops and slice them into thick pieces. Lie down and place the slices under your eyes for several minutes. 10. Aloe vera. The antioxidants and vitamin E present in aloe vera are effective in reducing puffiness around the eyes and also keep wrinkles and fine lines at bay. Applying aloe vera gel on the area under your eyes will improve blood circulation and flush out the fluids around the eyes, thus reducing swelling. When applying the gel, you must be very careful that it does not get in your eyes. If you do not have pure aloe vera gel, you can use any skincare products that contain aloe vera gel or extracts. To conclude, next time you have puffy eyes, you can easily make them go away using any of these home remedies. However, if you experience puffiness under the eyes for no obvious reason, and it is accompanied by pain, discomfort and blurry vision, consult your doctor immediately.